Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what is data binding approach in Android application. What is data binding? Data binding library is a support library that allow you to bind UI components in your layouts to data sources in your application using declarative format rather than programmatically. Data binding reduce lot of boilerplate code in your business logic that you usually write to sync the UI when new data is available. What are the advantages of data binding? So it's make find view by ID totally obsolete, encourage to separate UI logic and business logic, and make easy to synchronize between the data sources and UI element. And it provides a way to bind event listener using lambda or method reference from Excel. Let's see a short example of data binding approach. Let's see an example of data binding approach in Android. So here is the application and in main activity. So layout margin 16 dp. So here is your screen. It's look like that. It's text. Now what you need to do is now add here data binding enable true in app level Gradle file. Now sync your project. Coming back to activity. Now here, now create your model class. Declare let init var email string and let init var password a string write model, and here is the package name and the source from where you want to bind data to XML. Now write the text, and text is model dot email and pass. Coming back to main activity. let init var binding activity binding, and now main binding data binding utils dot set content view dot layout dot activity main, and put this here. Now model dot @gmail.com, model dot password, and main binding dot model. Now they change these ones to model. Now run this application. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions and queries, ask in the comment section below. Likes, comments and subscribe please.